So hello, this is our golden color plating machine. So here you see the zipper will go in from here, okay? So here we got the alarm. So if your zipper is knocked or the running out, it will alarm you. Okay, so zipper will go in here all the way to the end. So when zipper come to here, it will get into the cleaning tank first to get clean. Okay, after finish cleaning, it will get into the liquid tank. Go into the liquid tank to polish, and go into the cleaning tank, and this is the peeling tank. To get peeling and cleaning again, and come to here to polish to the come to here in the chemical water tank to get polished again, and cleaning, peeling, and cleaning again, and cleaning. Okay, so it's same with the other machines. So before you want to start the machine, okay, open this switch, okay. After opening this switch to inject, just open this switch to inject some water into this vacuum pump, okay. So let's have a look of the control panel. So it's not big different with others, just in this chemical water setting. So for this is the first tank. This chemical 1 setting is for this tank, and the chemical 2 setting is for this tank, okay. Let's have a look with this. So before you want to open your machine, if you want this bucket, this water, this chemical water inject automatically, you have to turn on this. So turn on this to make it add the chemical water automatically. So like here we have the chemical additive cycle left. So 30 meters for 500 ml. Okay. So also we have the here showing the chemical total amount and another chemical. So here is also the same. So turn on this. So this is important. Turn on this if you want if you want the chemical water inject automatically. So here we also have the same control panel with the chemical 1 setting. So like if I want it to be 40 meters for each ml, 500 ml, so you can set it to suitable for your situation. Okay, so here we have we can zero those tank. We can zero this data from here for the left of the chemical 1. Okay, so we also have here the total left. So what is have been done, and here is the total left. So this is the total left for this time, okay, and this is the total left for your machine have been done. So actually you have the speed setting right here. So you can set the speed and like 50, nah, it's okay just by yourself. Okay, and chemical recovery, open this one. you can have the chemical recycling function. So for this motor switch, so normally you will open these two. So normally you will have the automatically state, okay, and also you turn on the suction pump and the flush pump before you wanna start polish this your zipper. So after you open this, okay, just look at here, we have the start switch, just turn start. Okay, then it's working now. Maybe it's a little bit too fast. Maybe we get to. Yeah, we slow it down. Also, by the way, we have the cooling system. You can see right here we have the this cooling machine for you. So we have the cooling. So actually what we want to do with this machine, so if you want to set the temperature, here is the temperature setting. Just press the set and you can adjust the temperature now. Yeah, you can be lower or higher, just up to you, okay? And here we got turn on and stop. That's easy, right? No. And here we got cooling and heating. So this is cooling and this is heat. So normally for this machine, you will open the cooling function, okay? Just cooling function. So you can see this bucket will inject the chemical water automatically. Also, so for the cooling system, you have to connect this one. You have to connect this two. You have to connect this two to the hole right here. Okay, to the hole right here. Okay, you have to connect it.
这两个，
要连着是吧？
这个随便你去哪一个，然后这个是这里面要加给洗洗药，他拿过去客户要这里接个管，不是拿水进去，有一个箱，有个水箱，发出这个是。
So you can see is acting the chemical water automatically. Remember, if you want this cooling system work, you have to connect this pipe. So that's our golden color plating machine.